Hello friends, I hope you do quite well, and here is 1200 plus photos in this mega bundle. Here is a 6 different categories. These are protected password. In this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime all password in this app, and iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so total size of these 5.12 GB and file is 1200. Okay, but don't worry, I will compress in some parts, I think two parts. Okay, here is 444 images pack. All files are full high definitions. You see here is 5.76 MB, just a photo. Okay, wow, system are too slow. Okay, and you see here, wow, you can apply anywhere. Okay, wow, snake. Okay, and next is same thing, images pack. You can use as a background. Wow. Okay, you see here is a different categories. A trainer. So simply you can use anywhere. Wow, amazing. Okay, here is 300. Wow, landscape. Nature images here is 151. All files are high definitions. Next is water, so you can add anywhere. Wow. Next is wood. You can use as a wall or a wooden floor. PSD file. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.